Good morning and happy Friday. Today we are going to be doing a tutorial for how to make a chair piece for aisle decor for a wedding. We're going to start with a few things. Obviously our Sola wood flowers. Here we have some eucalyptus, a few different types. We have the willow, the silver dollar, as well as some spiral. You can use whatever types of filler you would like. We are going to start by adding some stems to a few of our flowers. To add the stems, you just add a little bit of glue to the back of the flower and then push the stem through the glue and into the flower. We are going to be using a few varieties of flowers here. We have some that have the bark still on them, some that do not. We have some zinnias, some peonies, just a variety of our favorite flowers. We also have them available in different sizes. Here we have 1.5-inch flowers, and then we're also going to be using some larger 2 and 3-inch flowers. We're going to start by creating just a couple of little bundles of flowers, if you will. Just a few of our favorite flowers bunched together. And then you're going to tape those stems together. Make sure you tape it nice and tight. You don't want the flowers moving around from the position you just put them in. You want them to stay put. Now you're going to go ahead and do the same thing one more time. You want to have 2 of those little bunches of flowers. Again, we're taping it up nice and tight. We don't want anything moving around on us. Now that we have our 2 separate bunches, we're going to put those together into one bunch facing opposite directions. We want one bunch going down and one bunch going up. And here we're just using a little bit of wire, and we're just going to tape or wire those stems together. You can add more flowers if you need to, fill in if you have any blanks, things like that. We are using all raw flowers in this tutorial today, but you can dye your flowers whatever colors you want, your favorite colors to match your wedding colors, however you'd like to do it. Now that our 2 bunches of flowers have been joined to one, we're going to trim off any excess stems that are poking out. We're just using a pair of wire cutters here. They work really well when you're snipping wires individually. You just pop them off. And now for my favorite part, we are going to add some filler. You can use any type of filler you would like for this. Here we are using some spiral eucalyptus, and we're just getting it in position wherever we would like it. We want it going out both ends. So you have the top and the bottom. We want that filler coming out both ends. And we're just kind of adding it to the back of the arrangement where we bundled those stems together. We're going to slip a little piece of floral wire down in between there, and we're going to wrap that wire around the stems and around the filler. That way everything will be held together tightly. Now we're going to switch to a different type of filler, and we're going to do the same thing. In this video, we are using all preserved fillers. You can use whatever type of filler you would like. Whatever matches the color scheme you're going for or the aesthetic that you're looking to achieve. We just are using the preserved in this one. Faux works really well also. Now we're going to add in some of our burgundy and autumn silver dollar eucalyptus. The silver dollar eucalyptus is a very versatile filler. It works great for so many different types of arrangements and so many different looks. We are using the 2 different colors just to add a little bit of variety. We're going to arrange those fillers, get them where we want them, and then we're going to wire those down as well. We're just adding the last little pops in here. We've got a little bit of our green silver dollar eucalyptus as well as teal. The teal is just adding a fun little pop of color and giving our arrangement a bit of a boho feel. Now that you have all of your flowers and filler added, you can arrange and kind of move pieces around as you need to. Now we're just going to take a bit of twine and wrap it around the base underneath there where we have all of our wire. We're just going to cover that up just a little bit, and this will also give us a place where we can attach the arrangement to the chair. You can also attach it to an altar if you're wanting to decorate, an archway or an altar over a wedding ceremony. But we're just adding a little bit of twine. This will make it easy to attach to the chairs on our aisle. You just tie it on tightly, and you have a beautiful aisle arrangement for your chairs at your ceremony. Thank you so much for joining us today, and happy crafting!